Hi everybody, this is Dr. Hansman over at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, and you can see the weather is gorgeous today. It's nice and sunny, 60 degrees, and we are starting to get some weeds in our backyard. So what I'm going to do today is demonstrate how to pull weeds properly, so that way you guys don't injure your low backs while you're pulling weeds in your own yards. So there's three ways that you can do this, nice and easy, simple steps. So the first way to do it is to simply go into a squat. So you can squat down like this. This is good for people that have good strong knees. So if you had a knee replacement surgery or something like that, I would not recommend this style of doing it. But what you want to do is just be in a nice straight position, bend down like this, and then get a hold of your weed and pull it straight up. Okay, now the other way you can do it is you can go on your knees as well. But if you're going to do this method, I would recommend that you have some kind of a knee pad to do this method. What you can do is kneel like this. And then again, you probably want to sit back a little bit too, so that way you can build this forward momentum. You don't ever want to be bending down like this, where you have an arch into your low back. That will strain the low back. So you want to keep everything nice and straight, and then get a hold of your weed, pull it out that way. And then again, it's a pulling straight motion. You don't ever want to try and yank like this, so that you're torquing your low back and your neck and your shoulders as well. So everything's, if you need some extra oomph to pull one out, use two hands. And then pull straight. Use some momentum of your body to pull it straight up. Now my favorite way of doing it is not using either one of those two methods. I like to sit on a small stool, or you could sit with a little step ladder. And so what I have at home is this little step ladder. It's a two-step step ladder, and then you can just sit on the step ladder, and then you can also pull the weeds this way. That way what you're doing is you can go straight down like this, and then you can just pull the weeds this way. Then that way you're not straining your knees or your low back. This is the way I'd recommend for somebody who's had past knee surgeries or has arthritis in the knees, things like that cause your knees to hurt you more. So this is probably my favorite way. You can do it with the squatting method. You can do it with the kneeling method. Any of those is okay. Again, if you have knee issues or have had knee surgery, you want to do this method as well. You can do this with weeds in the cracks of your driveway. You can do it with the weeds in your garden. Anything like that. You can also sit while you're planting your flowers or planting your vegetable garden when the springtime does fully come. So I hope this helps everybody. This is Dr. Hansman again at Precise Chiropractic in Troy. Have a great day.